Dear students of class 4th A and B, so we are going to do in this video lesson 21 present continuous tense. Now in the previous lesson we did simple present tense. Now here we will do present continuous tense. When we were having our simple present tense class, I told you about present continuous tense also, that is ing form of verb. Ing form of verb. Okay, now what is present continuous tense? What is present continuous tense? First of all, look at these sentences. Harshit is sitting in a spaceship. The spaceship is moving towards the moon. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Now the words printed in bold letters, they are in which tense? Present continuous tense. And tense, I explained you in the previous class and in the videos also, the tense tells the time of the verb. Time of the verb. And the verb is the action word. Action word, the verb is action word. Anything that is happening or any noun is doing something, that is verb. Okay, or anything happening somewhere, or any action is being carried out, that is verb. That is verb. In Hindi you call it kriya, है ना. कुछ भी होता है, कुछ भी चीज़ हो रही है, that is kriya only, that is verb. That is verb. Now present continuous tense, it indicates those actions. It shows that the action is going on in present and is not completed yet. Understood? And is not completed yet. Now coming to the notes which I gave you. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense shows that the action is going on in present and is not completed yet. For example, सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है अभी जो मैं कर रही हूँ आपके साथ, आपको मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. आई एम टीचिंग. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल विच राइट नाउ आई कैन गिव यू. आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो, आई एम शूटिंग अ वीडियो. दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस. अभी इस टाइम पे मैं आपको कुछ समझा रही हूँ, ठीक है. और वेन एवर द क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन एट दैट टाइम, दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट, दैट इज़ कॉन्टीन्यूस गोइंग ऑन. मतलब वो उस वक्त जो वर्ब होता है वो कॉन्टीन्यूटी में चल रहा है. कॉन्टीन्यूटी मीन्स इट इज़ गोइंग ऑन कंटिन्यूसली, लगातार, और वो रुका नहीं है अभी तक. इट्स नॉट कम्प्लीटेड, इट्स नॉट फिनिश्ड. सो द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस शोज दैट द एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन इन प्रेजेंट. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस इन प्रेजेंट, मतलब जो अभी हो रहा है उसे हम कहते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस. I hope you have understood. This is simple present continuous tense and it is not completed. वो complete अभी हुआ नहीं है. It is not completed. For example, the children are playing badminton. They are still playing. अभी उन्होंने finish नहीं किया खेल के, ठीक है. They are still playing. The children are playing badminton. Ritu is baking a cake and she has not finished baking the cake. She is still baking the cake. अभी भी वो क्या कर रही है? केक बेक कर रही है. शी इज़ बेकिंग. सो रितु इज़ बेकिंग अ केक. सो दीज अबव सेंटेंसेस इंडिकेट दैट द वर्ब एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन इन कॉन्टिन्यूटी एंड इज़ नॉट फिनिश्ड. दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. उसे हम बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. नाउ what are the rules to form the present continuous tense? Following rules should be followed. Again, what you have to see the nouns, you have to see the subject. Okay, what you have to see the subject. If the subject is he, she, it, or all singular subject, with all singular subjects we write is. Okay, we write is plus ing form of verb. Ing form of verb is bake, baking, play, playing. उसमें आप ing लगा दो. Play, playing. Okay, so bake, baking, cook, cooking, cook, cooking. Ing form of verb. So with he, she, it and all singular one, you will use is plus ing form of verb. For example, I have here the next new example. For example, he is sitting. She is reading a book. It is raining here. I hope you have understood this. This is simple. Now coming to the second rule. With you, we, they and all plural subjects. Okay. With you, we, they and all plural subjects, we write are plus ing form of verb. What do we write? We write are plus ing form of verb. For example, you are playing well, we are going to school, they are doing their work. Stars, now stars plural, are twinkling, that is why we have used are here, are twinkling. Okay, with he, she, it and singular we use is plus ing form of verb, and then when with you, we, they and all plural subjects we write are plus ing form of verb. Now we have done pronouns. From pronouns we have done second person and third person. Now these are second person, all second person, and these are all third person. Okay, this is also second, you is also second person, sorry, no, this is third person, he, she, it third person, and this is second person, you, we first person, and they third person. Okay, stars not pronoun. So we have talked about this, but what about I? Okay, what about I? Now you might have seen sometimes we say I am doing, I am sleeping, I am eating. Okay, now with this, with I we always use am. Okay, with I we always use am. हम आई के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज़ करते हैं, एम यूज़ करते हैं. वी ऑलवेज यूज़ एम, दिस एम विद आई. यू हैव टू टेक केयर दैट यू विल नॉट यूज़ आई और आई आर और आई इज़, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. हमेशा आई के साथ एम यूज़ होगा. ओके, आई एम डूइंग, आई एम रीडिंग, आई एम राइटिंग, आई एम रनिंग, आई एम प्लेइंग, आई एम स्लीपिंग, आई एम सिटिंग, आई एम स्टैंडिंग. Understood? This way you will change a present continuous. You can change a present continuous sentence, simple present tense sentence into a present continuous sentence by following all these rules. Now which exercises you will do? This exercises you will do in the book, and this exercise C you will do in the book. For copy I will give you one more exercise. Okay, one more exercise that you will do in your copy. I hope you have understood. This is very simple lesson, very easy lesson. You can understand it easily. But still, if any doubt arises, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, or you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.